Hi, this is Professor Fenlon. This is just a short video to talk about your paper this semester. So I want to show you where to find it. You're going to head over to lesson plans, homework, assignments, papers, and tests. Click on that. When you do that, you will see that there is a tests and papers folder. Go ahead and click on that. This is where your exams are, but since there are no exams available right now, all you see is the peer-reviewed journal assignment. Go ahead and click on that. Inside that folder, you will find an article entitled Behind Bars but Connected to Family. You need to read that article, and then you need to answer the questions to this peer-reviewed journal, which is called Behind Bars but Connected to Family. It is a research study, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so you need to read this. And I will show you what the instructions look like. So let's open that up. Okay. So you will be examining a peer-reviewed sociological study. That is the article that's in this file called Behind Bars but Connected to Family. Evidence for the benefits of family contact during incarceration. This study is about, as exactly as it says, the benefits of being connected to your family while incarcerated. So you will need to answer all of the questions below. This needs to be at least 3 pages and no more than 5. If you feel that you need to do it in more than 5, that's okay. Just try to keep it to 5. Use 12-point font. You are not required to do, in fact, not encouraged to do any additional research. Okay, no secondary sources. This paper is solely based on this article that I provided. And as always, please put answers in your own words as much as possible. I am not looking for a lot of quotes. I am looking for you to synthesize the information and put it in your own words. So the instructions really lay out exactly what I'm asking you to do. What are the researchers studying? What is a research question? What's the goals of their study? This is all in the research article. Right? Then I'm just asking you to describe the method of it. What type of data collection do they use? Are they interviewing people? Are they using surveys? Are they using historical methods? And what does this sample look like? Male, female, racial, ethnic makeup. Again, the article tells you all of this. What did the researchers find after they conducted this research study? And then lastly, this is a part where I'm asking you to use your analytical skills to take this research study, to take the data that these researchers got from their study and to figure out how you can apply that, right? So how might a practitioner, a government official, policymaker use this research to implement positive change in the lives of incarcerated individuals. Okay, what do the researchers state are barriers to having family contact, and is there anything that you think, any changes, reforms that can be made to lessen these barriers? And then finally, a conclusion. Why is it important to look at this issue? Why is it important to society at large? And why do you think social science research is important in general? And then you will be graded also on your overall writing, your spelling and grammar, so please look over your paper. And just general, engaging, thoughts are well organized, you're writing in complete sentences, statements and paragraphs support your main ideas, and very important that you have transitions. Okay, I don't want bullet points. I want full sentences, full paragraphs, and transitions. Okay, so if you have any additional questions on the paper, please let me know. If not, I look forward to reading them. Thanks.